So the jewelry making kits, there are a total of six jewelry kind of making kits out there. One set of two is more of the elastic bands, not really the metal ones. And then there are two sets that are more two sets of two, so four kits that are metal jewelry making, and they have the pliers and all the tools with them to do like the necklaces or the bracelets, or some of them have earring things in as well that they can make earrings. So those take a little bit more strength to kind of like bend the metal and do that kind of stuff. So then client and you might need to work together on some of that, or the parent or caregiver at home might need to help with the metal ones a little bit more because they are a little bit harder because you actually have to use the pliers or the tools that are in there to bend the metal a little bit. But I figured those were kind of easy and self-explanatory that you guys could do some bracelet making, necklace making, different things that you wanted to do to make the jewelry for the clients. So that really is all I'm really going to say about those. There's different things you could do for different holidays, things like that. But I really think the jewelry making is pretty self-explanatory and pretty easy for you guys to come up with projects and activities to do.